Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Welcome back to your channel. This is James Mendoza. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mactan International Airport sa Cebu. Ayan. Di ba? Samahan niyo ko guys. Punta tayo sa Maynila at dalawin natin ang magulo, matraffic at masayang Maynila. Alright, let's go!
Seatbelt to fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. Then fasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is found under your seat. So on water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the red tag at the lower end to inflate life vest. If the life vest fails to inflate, blow into the oil tube. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. This light will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water and hears a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operations of this exit in a safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. And this is a non-smoking flight. Please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering with the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention. This is an important announcement as an added safety measure in 2022. Filipino and foreign Air Asia guests who are fully vaccinated and have received at least one COVID-19 booster shot may now enter the Philippines without pre-departure testing. This is accordance with IATF Resolution number 168 on the relaxation of testing protocols for inbound international travel. For more information, visit support.airasia.com.
Alright guys, maraming salamat at nakarating na naman guys sa dulo ng ating video. Napapansin nyo sa labas, nandito na tayo sa Maynilang kay ganda. No? So palanding na po ang eroplano. Ayan. At again guys, sa mga baguhan pa lang dito sa ating channel, please don't forget to click subscribe. Ayan, and press the bell button para updated kayo sa mga videos na kagaya nito. Alright, so guys, don't forget to smile and be happy, and God bless as always. Thank you so much for watching. See you! Bye-bye!
Dear guests, we have just landed at Aquino International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Manila. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 4. Time now is 24 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning, and we are pleased to inform you that we have landed 36 minutes ahead of schedule. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments, and before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of Captain Ding Lopez, First Officer Mark Roncesvalles, Senior Cabin Crew Ace, Cabin Crew Jara, Colleen, and myself, Pam, thank you for choosing AirAsia, and thank you for your continued support throughout our 20 years of travel and innovation.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing